Welcome to Arc Dev Labs. It's good to see you.
Vercel recently identified a security incident in April 2026 involving unauthorized access to a specific subset of their internal systems. The goal today is to walk through exactly what happened and the 3 specific steps you need to take to secure your account. The intrusion started with a compromise of Context.ai, a third-party AI tool. From there, the attacker moved into a Vercel employee's Google Workspace and extracted standard plain text environment variables from Vercel. Variables marked as sensitive remained safely encrypted and completely inaccessible. We are going to fix the exposed variables now. We will rotate your current keys, upgrade them to sensitive status, and run a security lockdown. Step 1 is identifying what needs to be changed. Open your Vercel dashboard, navigate to your project settings, and click on the Environment Variables tab. Look specifically for variables that control access to your outside services. Check your list for API keys, your database credentials, and signing tokens. This comparison shows what you are looking for. Standard variables display as fully readable text strings, while sensitive variables are masked with dots. Any unmasked plain text access keys in your list should be treated as compromised. Stop here and do not delete your Vercel project or your account. Deleting a project only removes the key's text from Vercel servers. It does nothing to the actual provider where the key originated. If a database key was exposed, that key remains fully active at your database host. An attacker can still use it to access your production systems, even if the Vercel project no longer exists. To secure your infrastructure, you must neutralize the credentials at their source provider before doing anything else. Step 2 is the rotation protocol. Leave the Vercel dashboard open in a tab and log directly into the third-party services that issued your exposed keys, such as your payment gateway or database host. Find the developer or API settings in that provider's dashboard and generate a brand new secret key. Once generated, you must immediately revoke or delete the old exposed key inside that provider's dashboard. This completely severs the attacker's access. Now, copy your new key to your clipboard and switch back over to your Vercel environment variable settings. Replace the old value by pasting your new key. Before you hit save, you must click the sensitive checkbox. Checking this box alters how the data is handled. Vercel stores sensitive variables in an encrypted format that prevents the system from decrypting them back into readable plaintext. If an unauthorized user ever views your dashboard again, the system cannot display the value, and the attacker cannot copy it. By killing the old key at the source and setting the new one to sensitive, you've ensured the secret is protected from being read even if an attacker gains UI access. Step 3. Harden your Vercel perimeter. We'll run through a security checklist. First, enable two-factor authentication. Second, review your activity logs via dashboard or CLI for unrecognized actions. Third, check and delete doubtful recent deployments. Finally, set deployment protection to standard and rotate tokens. If you are an IT or Google Workspace administrator, you need to check for the footprint of the original Context.ai compromise across your organization. Vercel published this specific OAuth app ID as an indicator of compromise. Scan your Google Workspace to see if any users have authorized this application. Applying this checklist and scanning for IOCs helps identify malicious activity and addresses the vulnerabilities exploited during this incident. Your old keys are disabled at the source, your new keys are unreadable within the Vercel dashboard, and your account perimeter is hardened. Throughout this event, Vercel's core services and infrastructure have remained operational. To investigate the root cause, Vercel has engaged Mandiant, additional cybersecurity firms, and law enforcement. If you require technical assistance while rotating your secrets, you can reach out to the support team at vercel.com/help. Monitor the Vercel Knowledge Base Security Bulletin for future updates, and maintain continuous vigilance over your infrastructure.